How to add a contact on Viber for Android. The person who you wish to talk on Viber needs to have an account to be able to do that. So if you want to add a contact that you know and it does not have an account on Viber, send him an invite link. To add a new contact, tap on the More button from the bottom. Here you can send him an invite. Tap on Add Contact. Write the phone number of the person. Tap on Continue. It seems the person does not have an account on Viber. Send an invite by SMS. Now write the name of the person and tap Done. You will only be able to do paid calls for this person because it does not have an account on Viber. You will not be able to send a message, give an audio or video call. Now let's add another contact. You will now be able to send a message, give an audio or video call to this new contact you just added, because this has an account on Viber. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.